how to fix an Omron blood pressure machine like this that has a flashing battery light on it. And that's the error that you continue to get. Okay, it doesn't matter what model that you have of Omron. This particular one is a Series 3, but you might have a different one that looks completely different. You might have a wireless one, you might have one that only uses batteries, or you might have one that actually goes into the wall. So the first things first, it's probably a power issue. So what I want you to do is, while it's on, what I want you to do is find the menu button. On this one, it looks like a little piece of paper, or it could actually say menu. But what I want you to do is, while it's on, is I want you to hold down the menu button. And as you're holding down the menu button, you're going to hold down the start-stop button for about 5 seconds. And you don't let go. You release, and then see if that goes away. Next thing what we're going to do is we're going to do a full reset on it, factory reset. So what we're going to do is we're going to unplug the cuff if you're able to. You're going to remove any batteries that's in it. And if it does use a power adapter, remove the power adapter as well. You want to leave it sitting for about 30 minutes. And then sometime during the 30 minutes, you want to hold this start-stop button for about 10 seconds. You don't let go. You release. Then after your 30 minutes, put all your batteries back in. Plug it up if it does use a power cord. Put your cuff back on. And then see if that will fix the issue. You want to find a lot of times that will fix the issue. Now, if that doesn't work, next thing I want you to do is to examine your battery compartment. If it uses batteries, which I'm assuming it does, and see if you detect any rust or anything like that on it. Even if you don't detect any corrosion, what I want you to do is get some rubbing alcohol, and this is isopropyl rubbing alcohol, 91%. But it doesn't matter if it's 71% or whatever you have. Get just like a little dab, not too wet. And what I want you to do is you want to massage and rub these battery terminals with no power connected to it. And you want to go to the positive and the negative, and you want to let that dry. Make sure it's fully dry, and then you want to put your batteries in and see if that works. But if you haven't put new batteries in, make sure you got a fresh set of batteries. That battery light will actually be because your batteries are dead or they're about to die. Now, if it does so happen to use a power cord as well, and you've only been using a power cord, and there's no batteries in the unit, remove the power cord and put batteries in it for the first time or whatever. And if it starts working without that little light, then you know the issue is with the power adapter. And just replace that power adapter. Go on eBay or Amazon, plug in the model number that's on the power adapter, and get you another power adapter. And you might find that will fix the flashing battery light. Vice versa, if it uses a power adapter and you've been using the batteries, go ahead and find that power adapter and plug it in. They usually go right here. Plug in the power adapter and then see if it works with just the power adapter. If it has batteries in it, remove those batteries and just use the power adapter. And if that works, then you know it's just the issue doesn't want dead batteries in there, and that's why it's giving you that. That's why it's giving you that indicator. All right, and again, make sure that it's at room temperature. That it's you haven't had it if you've had it in a cold basement, a lot of times that light will come on. If it's a wireless one that you charge with your computer with a USB-C, replace that USB-C with another one and see maybe it just hasn't been getting fully powered, or use a different USB port on your computer or your laptop. Try a different port, or actually connect it to the wall, a wall outlet instead. Just plug that USB-C and charge it that way, and maybe that will fix the battery issue. All right. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe.